Hey everybody, today we're gonna do a review, a hands-on review for the Kriega RSD 34 liters. It's the first time I was actually checking it out. It has a nice handle. The bag is very heavy. It's made up of very good quality materials. You can see there's also a strap for being able to secure it to the CC bar, or even if you have a troller on the airport you can use that. This is the Quadog Lite system that snaps in quickly. Right here I'm showcasing horizontal snapping, but you can also have the two parts coming from a different angle, let's say from a diagonal position. There are also some areas where you can clip more Kriega accessories to the straps. These are the straps. This is how they adjust. They have some points there to show you how much you are adjusting them. And the big strap goes inside the backpack. Now you can see the honeycomb padding that makes the backpack comfortable to wear. Now coming back to the CC bar holder, it's detachable. It has two clips on both sides of the backpack. You can also adjust it if it's wider or narrower, or if you have the backpack more full or empty. To the sides there is also an additional strap for securing the backpack to your waist. It's a waist strap. It's nicely put together in these side pockets. They aren't too deep, so they're about the size of my hand, I think, and they click together in order to secure the backpack if you're running on higher speeds. What's really interesting about this backpack is that all the straps have those little plastic holders so that they don't flap when the wind is blowing or when you're going a bit faster. Now putting back together the straps in the side pockets, initially they were wrapped with some rubber bands that flew around the room when I when I took them out of the pockets. So on the front you have a on the top front on the lid you have a pouch where you can hold your glasses or your goggles. It's very soft on the inside, and there's a lot of room. You can add a pair of goggles with ease. I'm gonna show you later with my pair of goggles. The straps that hold the lid are also very easy to use. So here's my pair of goggles. It's a standard one, and here's how it fits in the pouch. There's also room on top of the goggles. I don't know if you can see from this video. So if they were even taller, they would fit in there. So back to the front straps, they unclip very easily, and here is the owner's manual if you wish. There's a small brochure that shows you how you can adjust the system, and how you can extend the bag in order to fit a helmet. By default, the helmet won't fit because uh, the pouch is unextended. Kriega does a very good job in showing you how to use the how to adjust the straps, and they also have a 10-year warranty. The materials seem very sturdy. So here in the, let's see, the front, the front has a small pocket with the straps that are fixed on its front. A single zipper goes around. You have a key holder that you can take out. All the plastic all the plastic components are seem very high quality. You have a small compartment with a zipper, some places where you can put your pens and whatnot, and the entire pocket, the face of the pocket is has also a zipper to its entire width and height. Now the main compartment for your waterproof, fully waterproof, it's, I guess, for your laptop or other electronic devices or papers that might damage in rain. This is so this a big MacBook, a 16-inch one, and as you can see, it fits in very nice. So it's about a palm length remaining. Then you need to roll this bag, and Kriega did a really nice thing with the elements for securing it on the left and on the right, so to the sides of the backpack, instead of having just one over the middle. So I think this is a very fine touch because it doesn't bend and it holds the laptop together. Also, the lining of that compartment, the white lining that you saw, is velcroed, so you can remove it and wash it after a while if it gets dirty. This is the front pocket. This is where you should fit your helmet in or other baggage, and this compartment can be extended. So I'm taking the laptop out right now for a bit. You always need to roll this thing so that you can secure it. You don't want to have water inside it, even if you aren't carrying anything. So I'll first try to add the helmet without extending the pocket. As you can see, it sort of works, but not quite. And there's this zipper. I thought there were two, but apparently there's only one that goes all the way around the pocket, right? And you can see right now the backpack exploded. There's a ton of space. I can fit that's a modular helmet. It's a Schubert C3 Pro, so it's quite a big helmet, a large shell. And then let's see if I can fit back the laptop, and there's no problem at all to do that. There's enough space. Obviously, you need to make sure that you don't press very hard on your laptop, or you don't carry very heavy stuff. You wouldn't want to break your laptop, or even you can even avoid having a laptop and use a bladder there if you're going uh, for a long run, for a long ride. I haven't adjusted the straps, so they were default length. I think it would might have I might have succeeded better if I extended them for with one or more inches. So on top of this, I'm gonna also add my 100% goggles here. It's nice that the pocket is lined and it doesn't scratch them, so that I don't need to carry an extra pouch for the goggles. And this is how it looks when it's completely filled. Laptop, goggles, and full face helmet. I think it's pretty nice. It is big, so uh, yeah, it's not something that I would wear all the time, or I would carry the helmet all the time there. And the cool thing is that if you don't wear the helmet, the backpack is quite manageable. It's similar to the smaller ones that Kriega produces. You can you cannot adjust the width and height though. You can only adjust the depth of the backpack. And it is a bit on the heavy side. I don't remember right now the exact number of pounds or kilograms, but you can feel it. After wearing it for a while, the quad lock light does a very good job in transferring the weight from your back to your chest. I'm just showing that this is the modular helmet, so it's a bit bigger than the regular helmets. This is out of focus, but I'm trying to remove the laptop. Or, yeah, I'm removing the laptop as well. There is a bit of getting used to rolling this thing, this pouch, but it takes you 10 more seconds than a usual backpack. All the zippers are very sturdy. They also have those small pieces uh, of thread that help you move them with gloves on. Snapping everything back together. It's quite a satisfying sound when you snap them, and that's kind of it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video.